guys. Okay, so some vocab examples. I should be able to show you two angles, and you should be able to tell me what vocab word that is. Okay, so we'll start with alternate exterior angles. You should know what they look like and where they are. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate means different sides of the transversal. So one's going to be on this side, the other one's going to be on the other side. Alternate. I'm going to mess it up. Okay, so alternate exterior. Exterior, remember, means outside of the parallel lines. So this and this. If you see two angles like that, you should know those are alternate exterior. Those angles are equal, so whatever this is, that is also the same thing. So like, let's say this angle is 70 degrees. Well, then this one is also 70 degrees. They're the same, they're equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. Next one, alternate interior. So alternate, one's gonna be on this side of the transversal, the other one's gonna be on the other side of the transversal, and then interior means inside of the parallel lines. So these right here, use a different color. So these right here. So look at this angle right there, and this angle right here. If you see two angles that look like that, those are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior. So you can see one's on this side, one's on that side, and they're both in between the parallel lines. They're also equal. So let's say that angle is, what, 40 degrees, maybe? 40 degrees. Well, then this one is also 40 degrees. Because they're alternate interior, they are also equal. Now we'll do same side interior. So same side means this, they're both on the same side of the transversal. So they're either both on this side or they're both on that side. So same side interior angles look like this. So these two right here, that angle and this angle. These are same side interior. They are on the same side of the transversal, and they're both inside the parallel lines. Okay, so these ones are not equal, but they are supplementary, so they add up to 180 degrees, which means that's pretty easy to solve. So let's say I know that this angle is 80 degrees. Well, then this one better add up to 180 degrees total. So 80 plus something should be 180, which means this is really easy to solve. Plus blank equals 180. Okay, when you add these two things up, you will get 180, which means, it's pretty easy, you could solve this. This is 100 degrees here. 80 degrees plus 100 degrees will give me a total of 180 degrees. So those are same side interior. Then the last one, people have a lot of trouble with these. They're called corresponding angles. Now here's what they look like. So corresponding angles are kind of like matching angles. So it would be this angle, that angle, and like this angle. Those are corresponding angles. Now, corresponding angles are also equal. So if you know that this angle is 60 degrees, well then this one is also 60 degrees because corresponding angles are equal. Okay, corresponding's the harder one to understand, maybe because you don't use that word a lot, like the word corresponding, you probably don't use that. Corresponding means kind of like this here. So like two circles. Oh, this red marker sucks. Okay. Now do you see how I have 4 sections in each circle? Okay, so corresponding means the same piece, but in a different section, okay? So like, let's say I colored this piece of the circle, color that orange. Now I said, color the corresponding piece the same color. What would the corresponding piece of the red circle be? So it means the same piece, just in a different place there. So do you see where this is? This is kind of like the top left corner. Well, what's the top left corner over here? That's the corresponding piece, basically the matching piece, but in a different section. Okay, so that's the same idea here. Do you see how this 60 degrees is in the top right corner, kind of, like top right? Well, now look down here. What's in the top right? Top right, 60 is corresponding. It's the matching pieces of angles there.